How to buy PayPal gift card online. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create, Log and Delete, and without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, open up your mobile web browser and at the search bar, type in PayPal gifts. Now tap onto the first link. At this page, you can search for a gift and you will see the result just below. Now to buy a gift card, tap onto the gift card that you want to buy and scroll below and select the amount. If this is a gift, then go to This is a gift, then enter their email address, your name, and a personal message if you would like to add. If this is for yourself, then go to This is for me tab and tap on Add to Cart. Once done, tap onto the checkout option. And after reviewing your order, tap on Buy Now. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching and do like and subscribe to our channel to never miss a video.